Hello everybody, it's Mindy and I'm here with a video. This is an unbagging from Coohaul. Thank you Coohaul for sending these to me to show everybody. And moving forward, for the time being anyhow, it looks like I'm going to have everything unpackaged. Overwhelming support for that. People loved having them out of the little bags. So that's what I've done. And I'll continue to do so until further notice or somebody doesn't like it. I don't know. Anyhow, I like it this way. Okay, let's get into it and let's show you what we have. Let's move these out of the way. Okay, so each of the kits comes with a little toolkit, your basic toolkit. I have like 7,000 of these. What do I do with all of them? Here's the drills for this one, and look at this little cutie. Look at this cutie. Isn't it adorable? It's a little 25 by 30. How big is that really? It's not very big. It'll be quick and easy to do, right? Let's see, how big is it actually? It is 25 by 20. 25 by 20. All right. 5 centimeters, different from that. Look at it. Look at him. Isn't he the cutest little gnome? And you know what? It came pretty flat, actually. I mean, it's not too bad. The creases were not too bad. But look at him. He's just holding a heart. He's like, I love you. I love you. Nice and sticky. Yeah, it's adorable. 11 different shapes. Let's see what they are. One of the fun things about this is finding new drills that you've never had before when you do special drills. I was watching somebody. Who was I watching? Angie, Craftnado. Oh my gosh, she had the coolest drill in one of hers. It was an actual flower. I mean, I've had flowers before, but not like that one. That one was really cool. Anyhow, look at this. Let's start off with a bunch of ABs. Let's have some of the pretty blue ABs. This is regular white. We have a green rhinestone, pink, a darker pink. This is like a grayish color. Black resin drills. Some green faceted rounds, some lime green teardrops. Those are pretty cool. Some clear teardrops. You notice how these are pointier, I guess. And then we have these big guys right here. Those are pretty. Oh, they're gonna make leaves. That's cool, they're gonna make the leaves. Okay, he's fun. It is November. Yes, it is. Hopefully I can get to that one and do it pretty quickly. All right. Let's move on to something Christmassy. Why not? Let's go to Christmas. Look at him. Same toolkit, 30 by 30, right? Isn't he cute? He's adorable as well, right? He's cute. Let's zoom in a little bit. These are, no, in. Let's get a little closer. Get a little closer. Isn't he cute though? And it is round. It is actually round. So this is one that you could totally just cut that right out and mount it onto something. Love it. Look at all of the drilling we're going to do on this thing. Look at all of those drills. Isn't it adorable? I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Okay. Whoa. Can you read those numbers? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. I don't think you'll have any trouble seeing those. All right. Trouble will be getting it open. Where's the end? Here it is. Tried to get a variety of things here, right? A variety of things. All right, let's start right here with number 1. Number 1 is a black resin drill. It is black resin with the silver flashing on the back. A couple of green rhinestones, a pink. That's like a smoky blue color, smoky gray blue. Can you see? There it is. Another green, lots of greens, green, an orangey red. Clear, 2 bags of clear. That's going to be his beard, all right? Then we have a clear, iridescent AB. We have some larger green rhinestones, some larger golds, and that pink color. All right, awesome, nice. He's cute. Ho, 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 right? It's ho, ho, ho time. All right, this is cool. I wanted to, it's stuck. I wanted to get one of these for a while. These little signs. Got 2 holes here to hang it. It is wood. Okay, let's get into it. I'll show you. Again, where's our Where's our end to open? Here we go. Okay. Get it out. Same toolkit, except this one comes with twine. That's a thick twine too. It has some twine. Here's our drills, and here is our sign. Like I said, it is wooden. It's this thin wood, but it's wood. It works good. Look at that. To the beach. There we go. Go that way to the beach. Take your flip-flops with you. Love it. Just love it. Oh, very, very sticky. Good and sticky. Won't that be fun to do? That will be fun. It's all regular drills. It would be great if you like had a cabin or something, you know, and wanted to hang that point to the beach. I don't have a beach. Well, I do. Let me take that back. I have a pond. Therefore, I have a beach. Okay, not that kind of a beach, but you know. Okay. It's going to be a lot of blues, clearly. Blue, blue. A bunch of those. That's got to be the background. And then an aqua, teal, a white, and a cream color. Love them. Love them. Isn't it cute? I like it. I really like it. Okay, what do you think? Pretty cute, right? All right. Onward and upward we go. Okay, let's get into this little bag. I'm leaving this in the little bag because I'm going to store it in here, okay? I don't want to lose all my pieces and parts and stuff. I have a set of these I'm working on right now, actually, and they're fun. I thought I would use these maybe for like Christmas tags for gifts and things like that. I have 2 of them done, I think, already. So again, they come with the twine. They come with a bead. Okay, so this would be perfect to like tie onto gifts. You hook it onto the little thing and you can tie that onto a package. I think they'd be perfect. So this is a different set. Oh, there's a bunch of them in this one. Oh, I guess there's only 5. There's 5 in the other one. So get a little Christmas tree. Now the gingerbread man and the snowman and the candy cane, I mean, they don't have drills on them. There's really not a lot to drill on these. They're double-sided. They're really thin. So they're just a thin little plastic. And that's what makes them cool to use as a little tag. Now, if you wanted to do one side of them and use them for something else, like put them on a card or something, you could do that. I mean, I think they're going to make perfect tag type things. You know what I mean? Look at the snowman. Isn't he cute? Adorable little snowman. Again, 2-sided, double-sided. Love it. So we got the tree. We have the snowman. What do we have here? We have a little bear in a stocking. Cute, 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 cute. Love it. Love it. Okay. What else did we get with this set? We have a penguin with a little bird friend, and they're delivering gifts. Merry Christmas. And the last one is Santa. Ho, ho, ho. He's got a teddy bear. Oh, he's skating. Look, he has skates on. Nice. Aren't they cute, though? I mean, these are fun. They work up really fast. Like I said, I've done a couple, and I sat down and I did 2 of them. Just boom, boom, you know. I open up my drills, and actually what I did is I put them in I opened them, and I put them in like one of my Bella Art de Nicole storage, you know, with all the little sections. In the back of where I had another painting kitted up, I just left them in there, and yeah, when I need them, I pull them out. So your basic colors: clear, black resin, red, green, gold, and blue. Basic colors. But they're fun. Okay, fun, fun, fun. All right, I'll show you some of the ones I completed soon. All right, and then this, I've been seeing this for a while, and I really thought this was cool. I have plenty of wreaths, but this one caught my attention, and I thought I needed this one, okay? So, look at it. How cute. Peace. Peace. And I love the colors. Pinks, purples, and blues. I love it. And it's all floral. Look at, we got some big gems in the center of all the flowers. We got some special gems here. Isn't that cool? This one is that plastic, that white, like plasticky. It's a plastic, okay? And it's, you know, fairly thick. I love it. Absolutely love it. I'm glad I got that. Same basic toolkit over here, and it has rhinestones. I'm a rhinestone peace sign. Doom, doom. All right. The colors are going to be fantastic. I'm going to love the colors. Okay, let's look at look at pink. Pink, 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 pink. Oh, beautiful purple. Oh, another purple. Love it. And another purple. And another one comes. And another one comes. Blue, blue, and a little green. We got some leaves. Okay. Now we have some yellow, round, faceted flower centers. Oh, there's my friends, the snowflakes, for more centers to the flowers. And these are gorgeous. I wish there were more of them, but it's going to make this flower and this flower here. Oh, aren't they pretty? They're smooth. They're teal. Oh my gosh, I love those. How fun, right? I need to do some wreaths. I have a bunch of wreaths. I need to do them. So, recap. Wreath. Wreath, wreath, wreath. Gnome, gnome, gnome. Christmas tags. Christmas tags. Santa Claus. Santa Claus is coming to town. Or he's going to the beach. I don't know. That's what we got. How's that for a pile of stuff? Well, I hope you enjoyed this. I tried to make it fun. I got great stuff. I love it all, don't you? All right. Check out Coohaul. I will link all these below. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you had a good time with the unboxing. If you did, hit that like button. And if you're new here and it was fun, hit that subscribe button. Come back, see more stuff. I'm going to try to just be upbeat and fun now. I'm over my little slump and we're going to make life fun. Okay, let's make it fun. All right, have a great day, everybody. Check out that description box. There's all kinds of good stuff down there. Memberships, buy me a Diet Pepsi, all the links, all that stuff is there. All right, okay, have a great day, everybody. Ho, ho, ho.